One day, he wanted to go into the forest to get some food. So he said, "Come here, listen to me. I'm going to the forest to get some food. Beware of the big bad goose. If he comes in, he will eat you. He's got a black voice and black teeth. Don't open the door, okay?" "Okay, Mommy. Don't hurt Mommy. We will take care of ourselves. Not open the door." So the mommy went in the forest and left the kids at home. A little later, there was a knock at the door. "Knock, knock, open the door, dear children. It's your mommy. I've got something to do. What is going to do?" "No, no, no. We will not open the door. You are not our mommy. She has a sweet voice, and your voice is cracked. You are the big bad goose. Away, away, Goofy!" "What can I do? Let's listen. Come here, I know." Left the house and went to the shop to buy some soap to make his voice sweet and high. "Good afternoon, Mr. Good. Can I help you?" "Yes, I have a packet of chalk, please." "White chalk or colored chalk?" "White chalk, and hurry up, I'm hungry." "Here." The wolf ate some sap and tested his voice. "That's it, open the door, dear children. The wolf went back to the house of the little kid. "Knock, knock, open the door, dear children." "He sounds like our mommy. No, you feed. The one. You not open the door. You are not our mommy. She has white teeth and your teeth are black. You are a big bad goose. Away, away, Goofy!" "What can I do? I'm so hungry. Let's go to the cabinet. The wolf was very angry. He left the house and went to the shop to get some flour to make his feet white. "Good morning. What do you like?" "We have fresh bread, cake, donuts." "I don't want bread or cakes or donuts. I want delicious little kids." "Sorry, what did you say?" "I just want some white flour and hurry. Here's one." "Bang! Some white flour here, some white flour there. Now, little kids, I'm coming to eat you." The wolf ran back to the house of the 7 kids. "Knock, knock. Open the door, dear children. It's your mommy and I got something delicious for each one of you." "No, sounds like our mommy. Let us see your teeth." "Yes, you are. Our mommy. We will open the door." The 7 kids opened the door and saw the wolf. They were terrified and frightened. "Quickly, the kid number 2, the wolf is after you, hide in the cow." "Quick, little kid number 4, hide under the table." "Quick, little kid number 4, hide behind the door." "Little kid number 5, if you want to hide under the bed." "Quick, little kid number 6, hide under the bed and say hide under the bed." "Quick, little kid number 7, hide the clock." Little kids, where are you? Chair, are you still a little kid? No, not here. Let me look under the chair. Well, a delicious little kid. Munch, munch. Cowboy, are you still a little kid? No, not here. Let me look in the cowboy. Well, a delicious little kid. Munch, munch. Eggo, are you still a little kid? No, here. Let me look under the tree. Well, a delicious little fish. Munch, munch. Have you seen a little fish? No, not yet. Let me look behind the door. Where? A delicious little fish. Munch, munch. Carpet. Have you seen a little fish? No, not here. Let me look under the carpet. Where? A delicious little fish. Munch, munch. Bed. Have you seen a little fish? No, not here. Let me look under the bed. Where? A delicious little fish. Munch, munch. Look, have you seen a little fish? No, not here. Let me look behind it. No, nothing. Let me look on top of it. No, nothing. When I was asleep under the roof of rain. Not long after, Mommy Rose came home from the farm. Knock, open the door, dear children. It's your Mommy, and I brought something delicious for each one of you. Children, where are you? Oh no, what's the mess? Little kids. Cat, Mommy. Now go and get some heavy stones. One stone. Two stones. Three stones. Four stones. Five stones. And then some finish. The wolf got that. He was very thirsty and went to the river to get some water. Oh, I'm full. I don't feel well. I need some water. I'm so thirsty. The goats were very happy and started singing and dancing.
Lamb is a sheep's baby, a kid is a goat, kid is a goat, kid is a baby too. A lamb is a sheep's baby, a kid is a goat, kid is a goat, kid is a baby too. A calf is a cow, kid is a goat, kid is a goat, kid is a baby too. A calf is a cow, calf is a cow, calf is a cow's baby. Kid is a goat, kid is a goat, kid is a baby too. Puppy's a dog, baby, a kid is a goat, kid is a goat, kid is a baby. Foal is a horse, foal is a horse, foal is a horse's baby, a kid is a goat, a kid is a goat, foal is a horse, foal is a horse's baby, a kid is a goat, a kid is a goat, a kid is a baby too. Kitty's a cat, kitty's a cat, kitty's a cat.